welcome back to Journey of Life. Today I'm going to do another episode of Ceylon Products. Some of you know that I love Ceylon products, especially my white jasmine facial cleansing foam and my hydrating serum, which is white jasmine as well. So when I went to Ceylon, they say this is an old stock. So basically this will not be there after some times, I guess. So what's behind this Ceylon episode? I went to Ceylon with my kids and I rushed to my products and I got my products and went to cashier. So the cashier gave me these samples. Talking about these samples, white tuberose facial scrub, and I got another sample, white jasmine facial scrub, and white rice overnight hydrating treatment. So since I have this white jasmine product, I thought of using my sample sachet, which is white jasmine facial scrub. So how to use this scrub? So it says first you need to clean your skin thoroughly. Then you have to apply lightly all over the face and neck, avoiding the eye area as usual. Leave for 5 minutes. Then you have to wet your skin with milk and massage in circular motion for 5 minutes and wash it off. So I'm going to tell you what is in this ingredient. Okay, going on, a creamy natural formula with fine particles and 100% pure precious jasmine oil to gently brighten and illuminate the skin. Deep acting neem, walnut and white minerals combined to gentle exfoliate and purify skin. Effective cleaning clogs, pores, remove dead cells and imperfections. Jasmine avocado rice bran and natural vitamin helps improve skin tone. While licorice, I think it's licorice, green tea, watercress and bearberry helps improve overall skin cells renewal. Virgin coconut and honey help hydrate, soften and smoothen. While sweet almond and olive help lighten marks and discoloration, revealing more radiant skin. The exotic aroma of jasmine helps uplift and brighten the sense. Phew. Okay. Some of you are allergic to jasmine, just like me. I am not a very good fan of jasmine smell. On a trip or a long drive or whatever it is, I will be the most boring person if I am using a jasmine product. Especially I don't like jasmine smell. So, but this is not overpowering jasmine. Also this one. So that's why I keep on using these products. It's really nice. It doesn't smell that strong jasmine, but it's very mild and smooth and nice, you know. Anyways, overall I always give thumbs up for Ceylon because it's a Sri Lankan product and it is good for our skin. It's made for our climate, and why not we use Ceylon? Why we go and find all these other country products, you know, when we have such a lovely product in Sri Lanka. So because I'm saying you guys, please try Ceylon. Yes, it is a little bit expensive, but you have to use something good for your skin, something Ayurvedic, something natural, you know. But I think, you know. Okay guys, see you in my next video. I hope you loved this video and I will come with another excitement video. Bye.